What is a story really about? On the surface, it's a soldier going to war, but underneath, it's about how war irreversibly destroys the innocence of the young. That underneath is the theme, the soul of the story. But let's be precise. People often confuse these ideas. The subject, like war or love, is just a topic. The plot is what happens. The theme, however, is the author's core message about that topic, and it's always a full sentence. Love is a topic. Love requires sacrifice is a theme. It's the argument the story is trying to prove. So, how do writers build this argument without just lecturing? They use two powerful tools. First, the symbol. Think of it as a concentrated burst of meaning. A character carries a heavy, rusted key they refuse to part with. That key isn't just a key. It's the weight of a secret, a burden of guilt they can't let go of. It's a concrete object holding an abstract idea. Second, the motif. While a symbol might appear only once, a motif is a repeating pattern. Imagine a story filled with images of water, rain, rivers, tears, the ocean. The author is using this motif to get your attention, exploring ideas of change, purification, or the overwhelming power of emotion. It's the story's musical score, building meaning with each appearance. The most powerful narratives don't shout their themes. They whisper them through these concrete symbols and repeating motifs. They trust you to connect the dots. Because when you discover the meaning for yourself, it's not just an idea you've heard, it's a truth you've felt. And that's the difference between a simple sequence of events and a story with a soul.